TVJ Sports can report that Independence Park Limited and the Government of Jamaica are now in receipt of the official certification from World Athletics, confirming the island's national stadium as a certified Class 1 facility. A copy of the certificate, seen by TVJ Sports, indicates that the facility, which was retopped by track manufacturer Reggae between February 26 and March 3 last year, is certified for 5 years from June 2026 to March 2031. The synthetic surface product on the certificate is listed as Reggae and Reggae Germany. The certification means that records and qualifying performances achieved on the track will now be officially recognized. On June 30, Sports Minister Olivia Grange announced during her contribution to the 2026-27 sectoral debate that the facility was certified by World Athletics. However, on August 11, opposition spokesman on sports, Wavell Hines, raised questions as to whether the track was actually certified after Jamaica was not included among the list of countries with World Athletics certified facilities published on August 7. Minister Grange, responding to TVJ Sports that evening, reasoned that the delay might have been caused by administrative issues on the part of World Athletics. The minister says the certification was never in doubt.
As I said in June in my sectoral debate, that the National Stadium track was certified as a Class 1. I will repeat, the black, green and gold track at the National Stadium is classified as a Class 1. Argument done.
Work to be done at the Independence Park Limited will commence in 2027.